Am I audible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Audible?
Sir.
Good afternoon, all
Yes,
of
sir.
you. Okay. Last class, we discussed bilinear form and quadratic form. Correct? Quadratic form, have you done any examples you prepared? No. See, they will ask actually uh, reduce the quadratic form into a canonical form. Canonical form means what? The finally you will get one diagonalization matrix that we can write only this. You know already. So what you will get actually where D1, D2, D3 is what you know eigenvalues. So otherwise you can write lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Then what form you will get? Tell me. What you will get?
Bilinear form, sir.
Binary form. What is that form actually? What is the shape? You can tell me. Only it stands only diagonal values. So what will get only? Short shouts at please. Classes are there, sir, please. Okay. Then what you will get? What shape you will get? Tell me. Final form you can tell actually. So the limit that elements are only stands on diagonal. So what you will get?
So lambda 1 y1 square plus lambda 2 y2 square plus lambda
So
3 y3 square.
lambda 1 y1 square, lambda 2 y2 square, lambda 3 y3 square. Correct? Some shape you will get, maybe this quadratic form they will go x1, x2, x2, they will ask canonical form. Canonical form is not purely in diagonal values only stands, remaining are 0. Only that what by second degree elements only stands. This is called canonical form. They will transform to canonical form. Correct? Using orthogonal transformation. Now take the problem. Reduce the quadratic form. Take down. Fill above.
One second.
Fill
Yes.
above. Reduce the quadratic form, three x one square plus 5x2 square plus 3x3 square minus 2x3 x2 x3 plus 2x3 x1 minus 2x1 x2. Now, in your hand actually quadratic form is there. Just you can change the matrix form. Already you are familiar. Here who is A1 because what is the order 3 by 3? Because I told you quadratic means what? Square matrix only will get. Now A11 is what? The square terms. What is A11?
3.
A11 is what?
3,
Sir.
A22,
5,
5.
A33,
3.
3. Now A12 is equal to A21 is equal to that coefficient by 2. Correct?
yes sir, minus 1,
Minus 2 by 2 that is minus 1. Correct? Then A23 is equal to A32 is equal to what? Then form the matrices first. Form the matrix what you will get actually? 3, 1, 2 is what? Minus 1. Then 1, 3 is what? 1. What I told? First row, first column. Then 5, 2, 3. 2, 3 is what? Minus 1, minus 1. Correct as I check?
Yes, sir.
Maybe I will do mistakes. Just check yourself once.
yes sir,
Then what you will do immediately? They again old story. You have to write characteristic equation. A minus lambda is equal to 0. Then what you will get? On diagonal you can do minus.
Sir, can you please read the topmost step?
Reduce quadratic form 3x1 square plus QR means quadratic form 3x1 square 5x square into canonical form, sorry, into quadratic form to canonical form. Canonical form means what? Diagonal only elements will stand, that element should be eigenvalues.
Sir, I'm not able to understand the fourth term.
What for?
Minus 2x something.
x2, x3.
Okay, sir.
of the set. First diagram of the set.
Yes,
Yes, sir, please.
Then, so A minus lambda is equal to what you get? Lambda cube minus S1 lambda square, S2 lambda minus S3 is equal to 0. Who is S1 here?
11.
11.
11, huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
S2,
36.
36, sir.
what is the value?
36.
36.
Thirty.
6.
36, sir.
See, and skipping you should do right actually. M11 value you can write, M22 value you can write, M33 can write, then you can add. This I am skipping here. Then S3 is equal to what?
36, sir.
36.
6, sir. 36.
Plus 36 or minus 36 or?
Plus
Plus.
36.
Now this equation becomes what? Lambda cube minus 11 lambda square plus 36 lambda minus 36 is equal to 0. Now substitute lambda is equal to plus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, which will satisfy, just you can see. One root you should find out, then you can attack using the synthetic division. One cannot be satisfied, no doubt. Minus 1 also no. 2 you can put lambda is equal to 2, what you are
So
getting?
2 will be satisfying the
0. If you put lambda is equal to 2, so from this what you will write? Lambda 2 is
1 root.
1 root. So the whole equation I get lambda minus 2 into something, correct?
So synthetic division, sir.
Huh?
So now we'll perform synthetic division.
Sir, the eigenvalues are 2, 3, and 6. Is it correct?
Now lambda 2 is 1 root. Then what I will do using synthetic division. Lambda cube coefficient, then lambda square coefficient. Lambda square coefficient is what? Minus 11. Lambda coefficient is what? 36. Then 36. So 1 below 0 you can write. Then you can add and do this and become.
Sir, I got the eigenvalues as
That's
2.
fine. Can you do it?
It's 2, 3, and 6, right? Whoever's getting.
Yes, I also got the same. 2, 3,
Yeah.
and 6.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 2, 3, 6.
Why would you like that? That equation take 1 plus 0, 1, 1 into 2, 2, minus 11 plus 2, how much?
Minus 9.
Minus 9.
Then minus 9 into 8, minus 18. Then
18
18.
plus 36.
So, you have to get 0, otherwise it's not a root. It's a remainder. Already you studied remainder theorem, factorization, that you can find it. Now, this I can write lambda minus 2, already this I got. One degree I pulled out. Now, second degree I want to write. Lambda square minus 9 lambda plus 18. Now, multiplication means 8, addition means minus 9. So, minus 6 minus 3, correct, sir? Correct. Yes, minus 6 minus 3.
Absolutely, sir.
Thank you. So, lambda is equal to 2, 3, 6.
Yes, sir. Got it.
These
Yes, sir.
characteristic roots are eigenvalues. Now, to find eigenvector, what you will do? A minus lambda into x. That is matrices. This is determinant. Characteristic equation is a determinant. It's a number actually. So carefully you can do. Don't confuse. To find eigenvector,
So first we're going to take lambda is equal to 2.
what?
So first by taking lambda is equal to 2, we're going to solve, right?
Okay, whatever we can take, but from small number you can take that pattern only you get. That's I told. Okay, it's not a rule. Just keep in mind. If you take 3 also nothing will happen, 6 also nothing will happen. When you are multiplying there, actually diagonalization form you will get. If you take 6 means what? 1 1 will get 6. If you take second 3 means what like this. That part we should not forget. That's what I'm telling. To find the eigenvector,
Got it, sir.
what is A?
So 3 minus 1, 1.
Wait, 3
Minus 1,
wait, 3 minus
1.
minus 1, 1.
Minus 1. 5 minus lambda. Minus 1. 1 minus 1. 3 minus lambda.
Now right. When lambda is equal to b, this may be separately equation A. If lambda is equal to 2, then A become what actually? 3 minus 2. 1 minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 1. x3 is equal to 0, minus x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 is equal to 0, x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Already I told you if two equations are same, is don't take. So better chances is what you can take 1 and 2 are 2 and 3. I am taking 1 and 2 this time, right? Now x1 may what I will get? Leave this field x1 means. Correct? X1 means what I will get? 1 minus 3 minus 2. X2 means leave this. Minus 1 plus 1 0. X3 means leave this. 3 again. 3 minus means minus. 3 minus
1,
1
sir,
is
1.
Now throughout if you want you can multiply by, that is what, remove by 2. So what you will get actually? Minus 2 also. x1 is equal to 1 0 minus 1. Are you agree, sir? Or minus 1 0 1. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Copy down fast. Now, shall I above? He said, copy down fast. Four o'clock, Sulema. That's above here.
Yes, sir.
Again, this equation I will use again. I will use this. I don't want to work from here again. Start. Shall I above here?
Yes, sir, please.
Now, lambda is equal to 3 in J. Then what will you get? 3 minus 3, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 5 minus 3, 2, minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Here three equations are different, no problem. So, minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, minus x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 is equal to 0, x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. Check. Now take 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 any whatever x1, x2, x3, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, then x1 by minus x2 by x3 by. x1 means leave this 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. x2 means leave this 0 plus 1. In
Minus
formula minus here 1 minus. x3
Yes.
means leave this 0, 3 minuses again minus 1. Check. Don't copy down blindly. Maybe I will do mistakes. Check yourself, confirm and copy down.
Sir, so the vectors are -1, 1 and -1.
1, 1, 1. X2 1 minus is there, see. All will go, minus will go.
Yes, sir. All can. Yes, sir. Got it.
That X2 don't forget, yeah. That is important. So throughout, if I cancel -1 means what? Here 1 minus is there. So minus, everywhere minus will go off. So okay. Now come on. Next eigenvalue is what? When lambda is equal to 6. Again I will rub off here. Every time you can write after that lambda is equal to 6 in A I am keeping as is here for our understanding. If lambda is equal to 6 in A, so it implies what? 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1. 5 minus 6 is what? Minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Again, frame the equations.
Sir, can't we take minus out from the matrix?
No, it's matrices, you know. But there will be there only. What you will do if you take minus? Okay.
There will remain one.
Yes. When you take it, nothing. But here don't take. After writing the equations, if you want, you can change.
Okay.
From the matrices, don't take. Whole thing will collapse sometimes. Write the equation. After that, you can change. No problem. Because it's equal to 0, you know. Nothing will happen.
Yes, sir.
After that, you can do okay happily. Yeah, 3 fellows are different, no problem. Now, if you want, you can take minus or throughout, you can cancel, no problem. Now, who is x1? Minus 1, again plus 1.
2, sir. 2, sir.
Ah,
Just a minute.
no, minus 1 and formula of minus already minus 1, so 2 minus
Sir.
plus 0.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in first equation, it is minus
It's
x2
-1. Yes, sir.
minus x.
Sir, x2
First
1, sir.
equation.
Sir, below x2, -1.
Yes, sir. Below x2, it will be -1 here, sir.
Sir, the equation
S3
that is
minus
minus 3x1 minus x2 minus x is कुछ भी 0.
Minus 1 है, you can want. अच्छा. Minus x2, right.
Yes, sir.
This one is telling. Now, okay?
Yes, sir.
And sir, minus x2 also.
Yeah, now correct.
Sir, now it will be 2, sir. X1 will be 2.
Wait, I will change it. Now, This is 1 plus 1, 2. Correct. X2 means leave this. 3 plus 1, 4. X3 means leave this. 3 minus 1. Already 2 minuses are there in formula 1 minus. So 3 minuses. 3 minuses means total effect is minus. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So throughout can I cancel 2?
Sir, 1 minus 2, 1.
Very good. That minus you should not forget it. That's what I am waiting. So x3 is equal to what? 1 minus 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
Now come on. Who is x1 side?
Sir, minus 1, 0, 1.
Okay, whatever we both are saying. This also if you want to get it minus 1 to minus 1 also. Nothing will happen. Now normalized matrix, what you will do, how you will do, tell me. Forgotten everything.
So we have to take transpose of the matrix.
No, first normalized matrix can prepare.
Sir,
Normalized matrix.
arrange the eigenvectors in form of column.
N is equal to square, 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square, how much?
Root 2.
1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square, how much?
Root 2, sir.
Root 2.
Then root take. So 1 by root 2, 0 by root 2 is 0, minus 1 by root 2. Again 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is 3. So
Root 3.
take in square root. Again 1 square plus 2 square plus 1. So 1 plus 4 plus 1. How much?
6.
6. So
6.
Root 6, sir.
now diagonalization formula is what? Who is A?
Sir, one question. In
Tell me.
N matrix, sir,
Ah.
is A23 minus 2 by root 6? Will it not be that?
Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, well, thank you very much. Come on. Now, who is A?
Sir,
Yes,
A
sir.
is
3.
3 minus 1, 1. Minus 1.
3 minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. 5. Here.
Minus 1.
Minus 1, minus 1 here.
3, sir.
3. Then into N. N matrix you can write. should write, sir. This is very small letters I am writing because you know I am taken for granted. Now what you will get is you can multiply, but there I given hint actually. So first eigenvector, what eigenvector I taken for 2. So what I will get here?
So diagonally you will get 2, 3 and 6.
But you have to check, sir. Don't try.
Yes sir, yes sir.
I am lazy fellow, I am doing, but you people are young people. See, orthonormal transformation is up to here you will get. Now your extra question is what? Question itself is new question, quadratic form. That quadratic form you are changing into a matrix. After matrixing you are doing orthogonal transformation. Previously is what matrix they will give, they will ask orthogonal transformation. Then you will stop here. D is equal to. Okay, yeah. Now question itself some extra question. From there I am finding A. Once if I get the A, then I am doing normal old story for orthogonal transformation how I am doing. Then canonical form is what? Their bilinear quadratic which variable is used actually? X used. Then you can use to another variable Y. Now I will do canonical form available, right? Y1, Y2, Y3 into this fellow into Y1, Y2, Y3. Now answer, tell me sir, what answer you will get? Let's immediately, in within second. What is answer?
The 2y1 square plus 3y2 square plus 6y3 square.
Over. That is the canonical form. 2y1 square plus 3y2 square plus 6. This is the canonical form, sir. Is equal to 0 is there, right? No 0. Sorry. Canonical form. We are changing it to one variable to another variable. That new variable will be present only with eigenvalues. That is the beauty. That is also quadratic form, but only eigenvalues only stands. Remaining fellows, no fellow will be there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Now, you people, you can try one problem. Reduce the quadratic form. Share above here. We said share above, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
please take attendance.
Huh?
Sir, please take attendance, sir.
I will take. Why? What happened?
No, sir. We have other class.
Okay, okay. Okay, then I will give later. Then take what is 71 starting?
Yes, sir.
71, 72,
Yes, sir. Present.
Present, sir. 72 present, sir.
73,
73 present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76, 77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79,
Present, sir.
80,
Present, sir.
81, 82, 83,
Present, sir.
84,
84 present, sir.
85,
Present, sir.
86, 86, 87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir.
92, 93,
Present, sir.
94, 95,
Present, sir.
96,
Present, sir. 96 present, sir.
97,
Present, sir.
98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
100. 100 is there. Yeah. 101,
Present, sir.
100 present, sir. Sir, 100 present, sir.
102,
Present.
103,
Present, sir.
4, 5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
Sir, did you call 4?
110, 11, 111, 12,
Sir, he is present, sir. He's having some connection issues.
what?
112 is present. He's having some connection issues.
13,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
14, 14. Join कर ले बाद में. Then 5401 says 1, 1. Yes, 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11, 12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20, 20,
Present, sir.
Sir,
21.
hello, sir. Sir,
Yes,
sir, 11 present, sir.
11 strike, it's like
Sir, 81 also present,
10
sir.
is coming.
Sir,
Sir,
94
111
also.
present, sir. Network issue.
19, 20,
20 present.
21, not yet. 22,
Dump labels, comments, and
33,
Yes, sir.
23,
Yes, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25, 25, 26,
Present, sir. 26 present.
27, 27, 28.
Present, sir.
Okay, absent, sir. In 2000 series, 76, 81, 86, 92, 94.
Sir, 94 present, sir.
Sir, 81 present.
Ah.
81, sir.
Ah?
81.
What are you doing, sir? Then?
25 present, sir.
Ah?
25 present.
7? 76, 86, 92, 104, 110, 114, 7, 21, 27 absence.
Sir, 110 is present, sir. Hello.
What?
110 is present, sir.
110 present. What are you doing, sir? On your calling. Ah, then? Anyone is there? Okay, then you can leave. Stop recording.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes. Somebody give an attendance 100.
Present.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
leave, sir. Try to. I have another class. You can leave. I'll start from the
Thank you, sir.
Stop. Next class, I will.
Thank you. Bye.